Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Okinos Aqua 3 Micro ATX PC case with stunning 270-degree tempered glass panels for a panoramic view of your hardware. This case supports MATX and ITX motherboards and features 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans for efficient vertical airflow cooling. You'll love the multi-functional zone with power switch, ARGB lighting controls, USB 3.0 ports, audio jacks, and a super fast Type Circa 3.2 Gen 2 interface. The 1.2mm steel mesh improves airflow while keeping dust out, and quick-release glass panels make upgrades hassle-free. It fits graphics cards up to 320mm and CPU coolers up to 164mm, including support for 4070 GPUs. Plus, the built-in 4-port ARGB fan controller syncs with your motherboard for customizable lighting effects. Magnetic dust filters at the top and bottom ensure easy cleaning and optimal airflow for your system's health. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.